Okay, next concept is nesting HTML element, right? So nesting HTML element. First of all, nesting means we're going to add one particular element in the one element, right? We have an element in that we're going to add one more element. That we say it as a nesting, right? HTML element means an HTML element will contain other HTML element, right? Which contain the other nesting element, right? Here, in nesting element, basically we come across these things. One is parent, second one is child, sibling, descendant, ancestors. Right? This is the basic thing we need to understand before nesting one element in the other element. So whatever the code we are writing, HTML code or web pages with the help of any language, HTML language or HTML5 language, we are using only basic HTML. Those tags or those code what we are writing all are nesting element, hierarchy of elements. This is the hierarchy of element. We are going to nesting one particular element in the other element. As I said, in HTML, element means what? It's a tag, right? You can see in the head part, you can consider the head also one of the tag, right? In head part, you're going to add the title, right? In the head, while writing the code, it always starts with HTML. We say it as what? Root element means nothing but root element, which is also one of the tag. In HTML, we're going to use what? Head. This is also one of the tag. And we're going to use in the head, we're going to use title, or we're going to use head language or title language. Any these are the attributes we're going to use in the title. In the head language, we're going to use, and we're going to use the ID. Right? These are some of the attributes we're going to use in the title, in the head, basically in the head part. Right? So we are going to nesting this tag. HTML is a root tag. We are adding one more tag there. We are adding one more tag, one more tag, one more tag. Right? This we say it as a nesting of element, nesting of hierarchy, nesting of HTML element. So whatever the code we are writing, all are nesting. We are adding one particular element in the other element. So what will be the hierarchy? Hierarchy in the sense, you know, right? Hierarchy means the sequence order. What will be the first, next what is what, next what will come, right? Here, I will write one particular code, one small code I will write. So HTML, next, I will write head, next I will write title. In title, what I will do, I will just add some title. I want this SUID to be displayed on the title bar, means in the tag bar there in the browser, right? So ending with the title. So here head part is done. So I'm closing the head. Next, I'm using body. Next, I want to display some value there, h1. Okay, h1, like title something SUIT college. And I write SUIT college. I'm going to close here. h1. I'm using break, PR, some randomly I'm writing. So there is no particular I want to display this what no, there is no nothing output I want to bring there. So just randomly I'm writing some code here. h1, right? In that I want to use paragraph. So in paragraph we will write something like this is SUIT. Then I'll use one more this one like span. Then college. Right, I'm closing this span. Then I'm closing this paragraph, and I'm closing the what body. Closing the body, and I'm closing the root element. This is the code I have written now. Okay. Here, by seeing this code, okay, you just ignore this part. Till here, you ignore it. Okay. From body you consider, because from here only we're going to add many hierarchies, many tags we're going to use here in the body part, right? So if we consider body has a parent, right? If you consider body has parent, it's a parent now. If it is parent means all the values what we written here, H1, P, right, till here, these are all what? Child, right? These are all the child for the parent particularly tag body, right? H1, break, P, right, closing of P. These are all the what? Child of the this parent body, correct? So we consider body as the parent. Why we consider body as the parent? Because in between this body we are writing the all these codes, all these lines are come in between the opening of the body and the closing of the body. Obviously, if body becomes the parent, then all other H1, whatever the tags we are giving in between that body, that we consider as a child. Okay, consider it as a child. So now all these are child means in this body H1, then break, then P. These are all what? Siblings. These are all like brothers and sisters. These are like siblings, right? H1, break, P. These are all like siblings. So if consider H1, break, P, then this P are the child of this body. Then this particular H1, break, P, in for break for BR, what is this P? It will be sibling. For H1, it is a sibling, right? It is a sibling. Considering we consider sibling here, right? So in paragraph, I hope it is clear between parent, child, and sibling. Now we're going to talk about what? Descendants. Descendant means one particular tag or one particular element comes in the one sibling, right? If you consider P has a sibling, right? In P, I'm using span here. One more element I am what? Nesting here. One more element I'm nesting in the child part. In the child part. So this we say it as a descendant. This span is the descendant for this P. This span is the descendant for this P. For example, I will just hold this one. The span is the what? Descendant. Descendant. Descendant for this child P, for this sibling P, right? So we talked about what? First one we discussed about parent. Second about child. Third about siblings. And fourth last we have what? One, ancestors. Ancestors. What ancestors means? See, if body is the parent, right, and these are all a child for this body, right, and these are the siblings. And in siblings, if we add one more element, if you measure that element, that particularly says a descendant, then what is ancestor? For this particular P, for this tag, for this element P, right, this BR is the ancestor. For this P, this H1 is the ancestor. For this P, this body is the ancestor, right? So this H1 for considering for this ring, H1 break P, right? For this particular P, this BR is the ancestor, right? And for this P, this H1 is also ancestor, and P, this body is also ancestor, correct? So parent within the all these are all the child for this body parent. Siblings, these are all the siblings. Descendants, right? In siblings, if we add one more element that we consider as a descendant, ancestor from bottom to the up, right? From bottom tag, the above tag will be the ancestor, right? For that particular tag, the above tag will be the ancestors, correct? This is regarding the hierarchy of the nesting. See, on examples here. Body, this P is the child for this body, and this is the parent. All the values what we're giving with all the child siblings, right? Child for this body, and this H1 and this division, then P, and for this H1 these are all the siblings. And in division we have used one more tag, that is span. We consider it as a descendant here. So for clear picture, you can check over here. Understand. See, this is the body. In body, whatever child we have used, P, right? H1, then division, right? In body, these are the children, P, H1, and div. These three are the tags were used in this particular program. So these three are the children for this parent body. Then obviously, if these three are children for this body means, and among these three are what? Siblings. So P, H1 division are siblings. And in P, we have used strong. One more attribute we have used, strong, right? So consider this P is the parent now. For this attribute, this P is the parent, and this becomes the child. Okay, and in division, we use span. In division we used P, right? In division we used P, means this becomes the parent for this particular child. P is the child for this division, means now the division becomes the parent now. And in P we have used one more tag, that is span, and this becomes the child for this particular P. This becomes the what? Parent, right? So instead of saying it is a parent, we say it is a descendant here. In P, in particular tag, we have used one more tag, nesting one more tag, that we say it as a descendants. Say it as a descendants, right? So an ancestors for span, for this becomes the parent, and division becomes the, right, what? Ancestor. Means this is the child, this is the parent, and division becomes the grandparent, right? Grandfather, grandmother, like that, right? Then for this span, this H1 becomes the great grandparent, right? In the same way, this span, this becomes against the again the ancestors, like that. So ancestor, you start from the bottom to the up, correct? And children's and siblings and all. Now this is one simple example we have shown here with the help of one particular code. Right, this is regarding the nesting of the element, right? Nesting of the element. Okay, if you have any doubt, please to ask. If it is clear, then we move to very